बहुत देखिए अपनी सांस अंदर लेके सो दैट इट्स कॉलर इसका तुमने वीडियो लिया था तेरे बाल काट रहे मैं बिजी हूँ नहीं हाँ फिर ये बंदी को ना ये देख मतलब मैं उससे समझी हूँ ठीक है वो हम इससे लंबी इससे इतनी लंबी ठीक है मेरे हाथ तक आता तो उसको बहुत जलन होती है इससे और उसकी मम्मी को भी होती है क्योंकि आज कंपेयर टू उसकी मम्मी वाला मेरे मम्मी वाला छोटा है तो फिर उन्हें लगता है कि बेटी लंबी और पतली की हुई फिर पता है लोग मेरी मामा को कपड़े दिलाते हैं हर साल हम लोग का साथ में जाते हैं सब लोग तो हम लोग फ्रेंड्स के जाते हैं हम लोग उधर गए और फिर बाद में ना मतलब मैं कुछ भी पहनती थी मुझ पे अच्छा दिख जाता था गलती से ठीक है और वो जो भी पहने मतलब वो 4000 का ड्रेस पहना है तो भी वो 30 थी उसमें उससे बड़ा घंटा हो गया तो उसने ये ड्रेस दिया है क्लास फिर बाद में मैंने कौन सा लिया मैंने ये वाला लिया बहुत सही लगता है छोटी कोई ऐसा लग रहा है ये इसका अजीब आ रहा है बड़ा अच्छा है ठीक है तो मैंने ये ड्रेस लिया और इससे मतलब देख सब लोग उस दिन ना मेरी तारीफ करने जा रहे थे तो मम्मी को नहीं चला फिर वो नेक्स्ट दिन गई उसकी मम्मी के साथ और वही सेम ड्रेस लिया और पता है मतलब देख मैं वहाँ पे ना एस साइज नहीं थी तो मैंने एम साइज और मेरे को एस साइज होती है पर फिर बाद में वो गली में जाके देख दो जो दुकान है एक खामगांव है एक शेगांव है और वो दोनों 10-10 किलोमीटर दूर फिर वो खामगांव वाले इसमें गई और हम लोग शेगांव में रहते हैं साथ साथ वो सेम टू सेम जाके उसी दुकान से ड्रेस लेके आती है और वो भी एस साइज उसको मुझे पता ही नहीं है एकदम टाइट सा हो जाता है कुछ तो से मुझे तो सही नहीं होता क्योंकि तो है देखा इतनी तो पतली है तू कुछ भी मोटी नहीं है तू मोटापा किसे कहते हैं हमारे परिवेश से चल वो परीक्षा है मुझे ही सो रहा है ये प्रैक्टिस है ना इतनी छुट्टी दी ना हाँ बोल मेरे कसन की हाँ ये वही है छोटी सी स्प्लिट भी कर रहा है ऐसे छोटा है तो क्या ही करेगा तूने मेरी आंखें और तेरी आंखें क्यों लिखी है अरे वो मजा आ रहा था मेरे को देख तेरी आंखें क्या चल गया मेरी आंखें ऐसा जी ये भी होने की सही दिखती है अरे वाला फेस कवरेज करनी नहीं ये अरे तू आगे तुम सब पीछे बैठ इधर हाँ अरे क्या है यार अरे काट हो गया क्या करना है मेरे से क्यों अटके कब है ओए इधर कब बोल हाँ सुन ना तुम्हें क्या हुआ मेरे कजिन भाई है वो 10 लोग थे चल उसने रिसेंटली क्या किया उसने अधिक चार टेलीग्राम करके उससे नहीं वो अलग है वो तुझे टेलीग्राम बोलने बोला वो अलग तो उसने उस पे एक्चुअली से मुझे 5 यूट्यूब चैनल तो इतनी फालतू मतलब उसमें ना लाइक्स आते हैं ना व्यूज आते हैं ना कुछ आता है
तो भाई तो वो इंसान ने कर दिया, उसको आपने बोला कि आपके यूट्यूब पे व्यूज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, और आपको उसके लिए इस तरह से कमाल करेगा, तो उसको लगा है कि यूट्यूब पर ऐसे ही पैसा कमा रहे हैं वो गवार बच्चे को। तो उसने तो क्या, उसने बात रजिस्टर किया, सब डिटेल्स वगैरह डाली, आंसर उन्होंने उसको बोला कि आप एक यहाँ पे 500, पहले उसने 5 नहीं 1000 रुपए का एक डिपॉजिट मांगा, तो उसने भेजा, सुन उसने भेजा, तो उसको 500 रुपए वापस आए, ठीक है, तो वो खुश हो गया, उसने माँ बाप को बता दिया कि 500 रुपए वापस आ गए, उसके माँ बाप भी इतना ये हो गए, खुश हो गए। हाँ, उसने कहा बेटा और क्या है, तो उसको वापस तुरंत और आपने बोला कि अब तुम्हें काम से तुम इसमें अभी एक 15,000 का फिक्स डिपॉजिट डालो और उसमें तुमको इसकी डबल है 10,000 मैंने डाला, वो गवर्नमेंट ने वापस दे दिया, तो उसने डाले, वेट किया 2 दिन हो गए, 3 दिन में कुछ नहीं, ठीक है, तो उस इंसान ने पापा को कॉल किया, उसने कहा हेलो ऐसे सब हुआ है, आपको पता है कैसे हुआ, तो मेरे पापा ने फर्स्ट प्लेस में उन्होंने पैसे डाले क्यों, वो बच्चा है, तुम उसको 1000 रुपए 1500 रुपए कम नहीं होता है, तो फिर अब देखो नहीं पता ये आप लीगल है कि नहीं है, तो वो इंसान सिर्फ फॉरेन पॉलिसीज में निकाल के पापा को दे देंगे भाई। उसके बाद उन्होंने क्या उसको बोला, तो फिर मेरे पापा ने बोला कि काम कर, अब देखो तो नहीं पता है वापस आएगा कि नहीं, लेकिन दिस इज नॉट सेफ और मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि ये फ्रॉड है करके, तू इसमें मत कर, ठीक है, तू पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे, इस फालतू में मत कर। और उसने यानी मेरे चाचा को बोला कि तुम लोग उस पैसे में नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, तो ये सब गलत है, ठीक है, वो कुछ बोला नहीं। अभी एक हफ्ते बाद अभी उसका आज फोन आता है रैंडमली, पीटीएम, हम लोग पीटीएम में बैठे थे, उसका फोन आता है, वो बोल रहा है 2 लाख रुपए डूब गए 2 लाख रुपए 15,000 से नहीं, 15,000 के बाद मांगते गए और ये देते गए, क्या डर है वही ना, इवन तो मैंने पता है उसको मना किया, डबल किया।
Did you not sign? You should stand up and wish me. No. Morning. Who is the morning fellow? Really? She is doing some. What is that? Stand straight, is it? Thank you. Sit down. Boy, you come forward. Wait. Come forward. No, this is not allowed. Why? Oh. Wait. Come forward. सासुमा है तेरा उधर? है क्या? हाँ या ना बोल, तेरा सासुमा बैठी उधर, and then come forward. And okay, these guys are. ओए aligned like this. अरे लेके जा attendance. नहीं, वो lazy boy है वो. Girls are all active, है ना? जल्दी आ, बैग के साथ आ जा, वैसे ही बक के. Sit here only. हाँ, तो फिर इधर बैठ. No, one side only. हाँ, आजा, फिर बैग लेके आ. Sign. Hey guys, yesterday I was planning some extra lectures for our ICSE batch. We are in chapter number climate. And when is your school exams beginning? 27. Annual exam.
No, PhD.
Only she says. Others are what? December. Direct exams, is it?
Oh, sir, in 15 days. No, नहीं 10 दिन चालू है. Like 20 days, 40.
Do one thing.
19.
I'll say November. We are just first today. So can I say November 15? Any school is having exams?
No.
No school. No, I'm guessing other schools. So I'll say November 20.
12, 13.
Can I say November 20?
No.
Target for me to complete your portion. I'll say November 15 because I can't take that date. Okay. So we are today into climate. Correct?
Yes.
Now climate, tell me, where did I finish?
We have to start with factors affecting climate.
Oh my God. Really, my God. And why there is no lectures of mine you guys don't demand it?
No.
Okay, no.
Beyond schedule.
Beyond schedule what? Only this girl at least yesterday popped up or peeped up. I liked it. I'm just saying. Others were late. Don't even search where is.
I saw the timetable, that's why I did it.
Last Saturday, who came in for the class here? Whose lecture?
No class was
अच्छा,
there.
holiday.
Diwali was there.
दिवाली holiday. ठीक है. Now do one thing. Which days you are not going to come for the lectures?
Tuesday, Saturday, Tuesday and Thursday.
अरे वो 5
Oh, I'm not going to come. I'll be busy in all the branches. Don't worry. Wednesday? Hey, Wednesday anyway I'm coming because I'm not coming for you guys. ठीक है चलेगा. Sign करो और मेरे पास दे दो. How many factors did we mark? Factors affecting.
We didn't start.
Okay. Put the heading quickly. Because factors affecting whether I think more than 6 or 7 factors.
So she wants to say
She wanted it.
It's okay.
So because of the fans and
Why not?
AC.
the AC only, right? You could
अभी start है. एक काम करो. किसको अभी AC बंद चाहिए? हाँ. एक काम करो. Get up. Pick up that remote. And who's want to switch off the fan? He or she. Wait. One she is getting. One she is going. Where she is going. Fan बंद रहने दो. AC रहने दो ना थोड़ा. Because at least थोड़ा ventilation रहेगा ना. She is still. Yeah, put the heading quickly in your notebook. Factors affecting the climate. And if I नहीं हुआ.
latitude हुआ.
Latitude हो गया? Altitude हुआ?
नहीं
हुआ. ठीक है. Next you write altitude. Today we are having 2 lectures. So what we are planning to do? We'll try to pick up the speed. है ना? Climate is a big chapter. Yeah. Then after climate also, population है. Natural vegetation is a big chapter. And population is then. And economics, where I am standing?
People earning for poverty.
So but we are ahead.
But I'm targeting some quick finish and some revision for you guys, है ना? Because I'm finishing 10th anyway. So how many are trying to pop up in 10th? You got your this one revision? नहीं ना?
So no form
दिया. ठीक है. I'm not forcing you. Just asking. क्या आ रही है मैंने सुना? मलकबू में चढ़ के.
मैं सब छोड़ दिया सर.
छोड़ दिया ऐसा छोड़. मैंने कब बोला?
पीटीआर में बोलने के बाद मम्मी ने सब
छोड़ दिया. Very sad. क्यों? You liked it or not liked it?
Sir, I don't like this.
क्या छोड़ा? क्या छोड़ा?
Netflix, Minecraft. Now I don't go for dance also.
You have left studies also. जान दे बस. चल. Hey, listen. If you have done what is that altitude? है ना altitude किया ना हम लोग ने latitude किया. अभी अगर altitude आएगा तो क्या difference है? What is altitude by the way? Can I say MSL? You understand what is MSL? How many have gone at least in a car to hill station? वो stones में लिखा रहता है ना height के नीचे.
Milestone.
milestone. उसमें MSL लिखा रहता है. बच्चा बोलता मैं तो पूरा चिप्स ही खा रहा था ऊपर जाने तक. मुझे क्या मालूम किधर क्या लिखा रहता है. It is called mean height above sea level. Come on everyone.
Mean height above sea level.
होता क्या? You see a mountain, right? How do I measure the mountains? This one, the height.
With the help of the sea.
Because sea is constant. Correct? VSW is sea. I cannot start measuring the mountain from here. Neither I can start measured here. So normally C is considered to be the base. अगर C है तो नजदीक. नहीं तो जो भी C उसका लाइन में आएगा यहाँ से हम लोग actually satellite measure करता है. You and me cannot measure. Understood? So this is how we measure the height of a
Mountain.
is hills also. Hills का क्या जरूर उसका कोई effect नहीं. So normally MSL means mean height, है ना? MEAN mean. What does mean stands for? What does mean stands for? Average. Correct? Above
sea level.
Okay, अभी समझा why we are taking sea level as important because that forms the base. Can I make the base as mountain because कभी-कभी the mountain के अंदर भी pressure है. So now then you tell me how altitude affects the climate.
Sir, if the height is low, the pressure will be.
Uh,
If the height is more, the pressure will be.
What kind of more careless? Okay, at least she's trying out. Anyone? Hey, इधर बैठ जाना थोड़ी. Afraid of girls? You are afraid of boys? Boys कौन? Yeah. I'm not a boy. Why? Wait. I know. You are fully capable of that. क्या कह रही इसमें?
कुछ नहीं करती मैं हमें कुछ
अरे तू बोल ए रुक जा भाई
देखा तू बात रे
हाँ वो मेरे सामने हाँ क्या किया इसने
तो बहुत परेशान करती है अरे
बट करती क्या वो तो बता
सब कुछ भी बोलते रहते हैं पीछे
तेरे बारे में
हाँ
you meet me in the break
अरे भाई क्या
I said lecture break में मिले now we are saying mean height above sea level so we always believe as she was trying to explain when height increases what decreases
pressure
atmospheric pressure decreases. Do you accept?
yes
Really?
yes
And if you are finding something here, what will be more? Atmospheric pressure will be.
So I have a doubt. In Andaman Nicobar Islands, we have underground sea mountain.
Once they were the mountains. Once. But now what has happened? ये था ऐसा.
But then it's
I'm coming to your doubt. I understood. पहला sea level इधर था समझो. Increase. अभी ये जो था, it has become a beautiful island. It has been cut off from the ground.
cut off.
Because पानी का water level rise हो गया ना. So there was ground here, and water was somewhat here. Now it has increased. So it has submerged all the mountains. Only the peaks are left. Now you look at the peak, and there is all water. What will happen? Nothing. You can go down. You take peak as the surface. So that is how these islands have come up. Have you heard about Lakshadweep?
yes
They are made out of corals. You know what are corals, na?
yes
They have died deposit. वो पानी के अंदर से फिर वो पानी के ऊपर rise हुए. So now that is an island. Whereas Andaman was some huge mountains were there. But water level increase in such a level it has cut off that mountains from the ground. अभी ग्राउंड से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं उस माउंटेन का पानी पूरा चढ़ गया तो जितना भी माउंटेन था वो अभी एक
under totally under the sea.
Yeah, one mountain and other mountain there was ground. Water has come up. Now it is cut off. This is also one island. This is also one. बीच का ground गया पूरा खत्म.
Barren Island is
The name of the island. No, don't think. You don't know this.
They have the volcanic eruption.
There we have an actor. You haven't seen. The world's one of the volcanoes is there in Andaman. I was planning to go, but मुझे ship journey बोला 9 hours. मैं तो 9 hours का 3 घंटा भी मैंने ship से मुझे tension रहता. Sea sickness you and me cannot see. I found a few islands of that.
So that means that when the volcanic eruption is happening, the magma like comes out
Wait,
from some
actually, I cannot explain music and say this. look here. The zone is here, and we have one more plate, which is there in background. So whatever it is there, this plate is going down, 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 and this plate is coming up and up. So volcanic eruptions are happening. This is the sea. But since there is no human being, no animals, nothing, we are least bothered. Only through the ship, if you see, they are watching it from a long distance. From Port Blair, where I landed in a flight, it is 132 kilometers, very far.
Because away from us, it's not.
Is it in between regular places? You should not think, you should watch. Understood? So from I was living in a island, Neil Island, which is too good small. They said वहाँ से भी 9 hours का ship journey इधर जाने के लिए. मैंने बोला उधर जाने नहीं. Because ship is huge, big, but the sea sickness you and me cannot, sit for diesel का बदबू और ship में सब कुछ मिलता है खाना पीना. But how would you and me, because we have not traveled in sea for long distances, right? So this is that. And ये जो plate है ना, उसको submerge करना फिर भी वो erupt होता है. The last was the 23rd September, which you and me did not even know. Because you and me, this is how we are least bothered about this side. It could have been in the main island or main food player anywhere, then it could have been a big trouble. Okay, so write down the points for what do you call it? Altitude. मैं explain कर दूं क्या पूरा? So you want to go one by one, understand? One by one, sure. Sure. Are you alright? Thank you. Right on. It simply means mean height above sea level. It simply means mean height above sea level. That is height increases the wait atmospheric will be a climate is influenced by the climate AP नहीं है वो that is what somebody means. The climate is continue. Climate is influenced by when height increases. The climate is influenced by milder. You understand what is milder?
Like, not too severe, like too.
Influenced by milder.
And or moderate climate. Than places located at than the places located at lower MSA.
At lower
Height or MSA. Which experiences harsher climate, extreme climate, harsh. and extreme climate. Because normally in summer times, majority families get up for a while.
Me? I'm writing, sir.
No, where I said you are dancing. Get up for a while.
Sir, sorry, sir.
I said get up.
Sir, please, sir, let me sit here.
You listen to me, what is English?
Sir, please, sir.
So much you did something wrong.
Yes.
What was it? I said get up.
I was showing a boot.
To whom? Why? Get up properly. Come here.
Sir, please don't go there.
I said come
Sir,
here.
that is boys' road.
Your behavior is nothing less than a boy. I said come here.
Sir, boys' road. Dressing.
क्या पढ़ाई अभी क्यों बैठा अभी तो बॉय का I said come stand here. Are you little bit?
Yes.
What happened to so? What was she trying to do with you?
I don't know. I didn't get it.
Why? ऊपर का कुछ मालूम कुछ तकलीफ है क्या? थोड़ा सा है मेरे पास है दवाई है इतना तुमको छोड़ देता हूँ
Okay, sir. Sorry.
हुआ क्या अरे सॉरी का बात की बट हुआ क्या why she was doing
I don't know.
I opened my head and I was showing a
but why in between the lectures please देखो this child is included और सब बंद कर दिया बच्चे ने पढ़ाई के साथ तुमको क्या थोड़ा सा
Okay, sir. Sorry.
जरा ढूंढो उसका टेनी निकले ढूंढो हाँ ढूंढो टेन क्या साल में थोड़ी रहता टीचर है
Sir, मैं बैठ जाऊँ?
नहीं स्ट्रेट खड़े हो Would I call your mother?
Sir, no, sir, she'll kill me. यार कल से ना बैड लक क्यों चल रहा है यार सबको मेरी मम्मी पापा को क्यों फोन कर रहा है
अच्छा ठीक है फोन ना
हाँ नहीं नहीं
बट क्यों
अरे सर सॉरी सर सी सब लिखा है मैंने
I'm not talking about writing है ना
सर I understood
although I was checking tomorrow's timetable for my UP lectures that is what they popped up so मुझे देखना पड़ता है
you stopped so I was showing that too
but why
अरे हाँ कल Halloween
तो तुम Halloween में कैसे बना
नहीं
you know why do they celebrate Halloween
because those spirits come out from there
ये टेंटेटिव का हो गया तुम्हारा आंसर उसका हो गया यही सब अभी तुम्हारे मम्मी पापा
अरे सर sorry should I
you should stand straight how you stand I'm wasting my time you don't know my anger I'm very soft with my younger children that is the reason you are putting me into
sir sorry sir you stopped so I was showing that
now also I stop show something to me show something to me
sir sorry sir
I don't need
sir I'm your favorite student
you don't know that
sir you only told that day
हाँ तो उस दिन के लिए था
अरे
आज ऐसे हरकतें करेगा कौन पागल को मेरा फेवरेट स्टोरी बोलेगा you behave like a पागल हो गया देखो she is that करेक्ट है
वो पागल नहीं अरे देखो
नहीं पता
तेरे ऊपर क्या मैं कंफ्यूज नहीं मानना मैं कर
what is your name wait
राजसी चालना
रुको रुको उसको क्या लगता है कि अटेंडिंग शीट में शरद को बोलेगा तुम्हारा
अनिश
you boy चलिए करेंगे
प्रीशा खेल
she
no
yes she is a little
अभी मैं ब्रेक में ना फोन करूंगा
sir no sir please sir
and hopefully who is at home after
no one
फोन में मैं बोला but
sir I stand for the whole class but don't call my time
you some for your hand whatever you do but I will
sir please sir no they kill me already one cupcake went at home
that is you and your mother
sir please should kill me today even my father is coming back
so how do you tell
sir don't call
I'll be happy to meet the producer and the interview
sir she is thinking to do this ना तू क्यों कर रही है फालतू कल से कर
why do you give us cover fire you are also involved in and then leave it
sir sorry sir see I wrote everything and I understood
so you will do all this
sir sorry sir
write down the notes and stand up and take.
So then you will not call my parents.
That's no condition. It's up to me.
Sir,
Why do you
please.
challenge
Sir,
my?
sir, please. Sir, I'm my favorite student now.
That is what I have to correct it.
Okay, sir.
She's giving you permission. It's okay. Okay. It is mainly because of. Huh? Wait, I'm sorry. Here only.
I said that.
No, boys for that.
Arey?
Exactly opposite. It is mainly because of way to see everything. Air, temperature, as well as pressure varies with the change in altitude. How would I put it?
Huh?
How would I?
What varies?
With the change in altitude. देखो, these things I don't mind it, but suddenly it's a क्यों सा confusion समझ में नहीं आ रहा? Autism है? Because I've seen worse cases of autism in my life. Not for me, but for my बच्ची आपका सेकंड.
बोला ना सर. मैंने डर.
ये भी एक टाइप autism. Next point. Pressure and release. तब एक काम करते हैं. We will make shiny to read and we will mark.
Then you will not call my name.
Why do you put conditions? And that is a different track and this is a different track. ठीक है? Leave it.
Pressure
and winds. चलो. Shall we read? Shiny. The way bigger.
Pressure and winds. The climate and associated weather conditions in India are governed by the following atmospheric conditions. Number 1, pressure and surface winds. Number 2, upper air circulation. And number 3, western cyclonic disturbances.
कौन सा disturbances?
Western.
Now उसके आगे?
cyclonic.
So you misread the word.
अच्छा, western.
So when I say the word pressure and surface winds, you know, equator region it is 0 degree to 23.5 degree north and south. And then 23.5 degrees Tropic of Cancer, which passes through center of India. So if I want to explain what are all this, these play a major role in determining the what you can say the climatic conditions, right? We have equator, Tropic of Cancer, and Tropic of Capricorn, and then we'll have NP and we'll have SP. So here the equatorial zone, generally called as torrid zone, right? What does torrid means? High temperature.
Sir.
Wait.
Sir, could you off the AC?
Low pressure.
Yes, sir.
But he is at that, है ना? तुमको तो आता भी नहीं, बेचारा बहुत टेंशन में बैठा है.
Sir,
उसको डरना, उसे इतना डरा क्या कर?
अरे मैं तो दिखा है.
ओए, don't show. You are a ponytail of different type. What is that ponytail? Boni. AC. Okay.
Should I sit inside?
जहाँ बैठा वहीं बैठा, मुंह बंद रख.
Sir, यहाँ पर ठंडी बंद.
रहने दो. I don't mind it. You do all questions. Upper air circulation. What does upper air circulation mean? At a higher level of atmosphere, whatever air circulation definitely.
Low.
What is the second one? Low or high? मैं नहीं बोलूँ. Then it is pressure. Which pressure we are talking about?
Atmospheric.
And then winds. है ना? Then we have the cyclones. Because cyclones are one which is mainly responsible for bringing sudden rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall सुना है? We get it during rainy season in Mumbai. डरना है ना उससे?
मैं क्यों डराऊंगी सर?
अब देखा भी मेरे को। You don't think that I'm looking at the mobile? I don't know what is my. I can plot it from 120 students in my class. We are hardly. तुम्हारा चित्र
मुझे कैसे?
है खुद ही बोल रहा है, बोली करती हूँ मतलब करती है। अगर और क्या करती है वो भी बोल दो। तो कुछ में आंसर मत दे। हाँ पूछो।
क्या करती है?
वो आंसर नहीं देगा। All the types you only ask.
I don't do anything, sir. I come here to study. है ना?
पक्का?
हाँ.
ये कब से चेंज हुआ? जो कितना दिन से लगा कि
No.
I'm here to study because I want to call your parents.
No, sir. Don't. Please.
Why? Hey, you are from which school?
DPS children.
और ये क्या स्कूल है? उधर कैसे तुम्हारे लिए?
ऐसा है?
वो क्या तुम्हारी सर दूसरा खुद का इशू है? उसका मम्मी से मैं अलग से मिल के बात की। हाँ बोलिए।
That's it.
हाँ तो I need to talk.
What?
No question.
Okay.
No talk.
What talk?
एक upper end circulation हुआ, then we have done pressure elements, then we have done what is that cyclone. अभी tell me, is Maharashtra affected by cyclones from Arabian Sea? Definitely.
Yes.
We are very close to the Arabian Sea. Now the cyclones what you and me are experiencing is all in Bay of Bengal. Is there a worry for Maharashtra?
No.
But for last 1 week you might have been seeing sudden rainfall, sudden temperature,
So that thing said that there are certain periods of time when like there's change in the rainfall, like every.
That is burst of monsoons or dry spells. ठीक है, next
I have a question. I'm going to frame it.
I'm going to frame it.
That's a Hindi.
No, I don't understand. Please you start waiting, but then she will fill the question. I'll take the relax. India lies in the regions of underlying northeasterly winds, which originates from underlying subtropical high pressure belt. They blow south underlying, get deflected to the right due to Coriolis force. I think I'm going to make maps drop here.
So I got it one thing. As I said, the climate is a sum total of weather conditions and varied over a large area for a long period of time, like more than 30 to 35 years.
Okay.
So this year, like, was the year when the rain is still continuing. So will it go on for like 30 years?
अरे नहीं, देख ये साल सिर्फ एक साल हुई बारिश और जो क्लाइमेट होता है वो 35 years तक होता है. Listen, my dear, every 35 years they are not going to observe. The first 35 years, what they have observed, if it continues more or less same, we will say India is a tropical monsoonal climate. But for last 20 years or 30 years, there is a big change. I mean, the year change. You know what is the change?
And what if this change goes on till next year as well?
No. I'm coming. Next year also, November till we have a rainfall. Next year also, next year, November till rainfall. Minimum 10 years. But I don't think it is going to go for 10 years. Minimum. Then we can say there is change. कि हमारा southwest monsoon extend. Hey, it is switched off with this.
No, it's on.
Hey, इधर तो बंद हो गया.
मेरे father ये है सर.
Now it's off.
ये रहे. वो बंद हो. Hey, वो बंद हो रहे. So as you are asking, every 35 years they will not take the review unless and until there is a big change. And that big change should also continue for next 35 years. अभी ये साल हुआ है, maybe like western कुछ disturbance है. Next year it becomes normal. June, July का.
लेकिन ये ऐसे होता तो.
नहीं होगा ना. Then they will change it. अभी देखो during COVID time, normally अभी ये कैसे आपको समझा? Mount Everest height, actually Mount Everest is part of China. We say this is the height. MSL. Everyone accepted it. Even China, even India. क्योंकि कुछ part India में भी. Suddenly, China came with this view in second level. But we will accept this because India has to cross check. Okay, so during my lectures time, I used to say the Chinese has to open their eyes little bit more wider. समझा? That is why 48 से उसको 50 लग रहा है. But अभी तक Indian का book में this is the height accepted, and it is not a underlying
So what did they
truth
consider this?
that mountains grow every year. In 1 year they grow maybe close to 1 inch or 2 inch or half an inch. So imagine 100 years में वो कितना inch grow हुआ है. You never know. Right? I don't know how many of you have gone to some part of South where they say the statue of Lord Ganesha, we have one, is growing every year.
Oh yes, I went there.
You've been there, South में. Where
हाँ.
Andhra or Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu में.
Player Patti.
Yes. That.
You've gone there?
Yes.
It's a beautiful temple. You've gone. Huge temple it is. मतलब आप अंदर जाने से पहले दिख रहा है वो बहुत बड़ा है. It was constructed by a king. आज भी आप जाएगा ना अंदर, there is no light. Electricity bulb is not allowed. And it is fully fitted with gold. And it is close to 6 feet. अभी है 6 feet. But मेरा पापा हम लोग बचपन में जाते थे, वो मेरा घर से शायद 20 minutes के distance पे. हम लोग तो कभी-कभी बाइसिकल करके भी जाते थे. तो पापा बोलते हैं ये grow हो रहा है. मतलब कैसे grow हो रहा है? This is the process. Because it has been cut by mountain, one rock only, and it is huge. And that statue has that particular trunk towards the right. And only Lal Bagh Raja, that statue has that trunk towards the right. Very few idols have that trunk towards the left side. अभी ये सब पता नहीं आपके family में पूछो बताएं. The right turn Ganeshas tend to be very strict. You have to be very careful. Praying, doing pujas, etc. मतलब आपको कुछ नहीं करने वाला है. ये एक मान्यता. So now when I am saying this point, this torrid zone, temperate zone, so definitely it has height level also. Like a poles is always seriously cold. Why?
Because
Their altitude is, है ना? Base level तो ये है मेरा. As we are moving up, what is also rising? We are going to the end of the earth, है ना? ये दोनों जैसे कि इधर है एक्सट्रीम पॉइंट जो 99.5 डिग्री है, हम आपको नहीं बताते. एंड व्हेन वी टेक सैटेलाइट पिक्चर्स इट शोज लाइक अ स्मॉल डॉट, बट वो भी एक जोन है, समझ रहे हैं? सो दैट इज हाउ वी आर सेइंग ऑल्टीट्यूड हैव अ बिग इफेक्ट ऑन द क्लाइमेट, राइट?
Generally, these winds carry very little moisture as they originate and blow over land. Therefore, they bring little or no rain.
They bring little or no rain.
Coriolis.
Everybody knows what is Coriolis. Either मैंने mark here. The wind which has to go straight in the southern hemisphere, it is tilted towards the right. Whereas in the northern hemisphere, it has to go towards straight, it is tilted towards the left. And I have told you, what is Coriolis? The earth is rotating from where to where? West to east. And sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That's why you can see sunrise at the one. अगर sun भी west to east आएगा क्या होगा? Sun is here and we are here. तो sun को मैं कैसे देखेगा? नहीं सर, मैं ऐसा घूम के देखेगा. Earth थोड़ी घूम सकता है. Understood? So look how the entire cosmic zones are. I don't know how many of you know there is a few scientists who have understood why the satellites are not falling down to the earth. The only satellite, natural satellite, which planet is having?
Mars.
Earth. And what is that satellite called? It is moon. Moon is the satellite of the earth.
What is moon? तो सबके पास होता है ना. स्वाद नहीं होता है किसी के पास.
है. तुम जाके किन के आए?
Sir, moon is a part of earth.
It is a satellite, natural satellite.
It is a star.
Now, during daytime, moon does not have any light.
Yeah.
Why? Because it borrows the light from the sun. Because the sun sets, this light is reflected by the moon during the night time. But it is, although it is reflected, is it hot? It's so cool. I don't know, you and me, on a full moon day, you might see how chill it is. And beauty of the moon is described by the poets in Hindi, Marathi, I don't know which other language. It is considered a symbol of love only. वो तू चांद जैसे दिखते हैं, हाँ कल ही ब्यूटी पता करते हैं। और तेरा बापू को चांद लेके करेगा क्या, है ना? And even the small kids in Marathi also I've seen, they are told चंदा मामा आया है। बोलता नहीं हमारा मामा का नाम तो चंदू है, नहीं वो अलग ही है। So we treat moon as one of a part of our life. Okay? Go read.
Coriolis force, an apparent force caused by the Earth's rotation. The Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as Ferrel's law.
Ferrel's.
The pressure and wind conditions over India are unique. During winter, there is a high pressure area north of the Himalayas. Cold dry winds blow from this region to the low pressure areas over the oceans to the south. In summer, a low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of winds during summer.
And when reversal, what is reversal? It is opposite. Normal direction से opposite होता है.
Air moves from high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean in a southeasterly direction, crosses the equator and turns right towards the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. These are also known as the southwest monsoon.
Underline the word southwest, which is experienced by Maharashtra as well. कब से कब होता है महाराष्ट्र में रेनफॉल? उधर लिखो जून to September. Right now? Okay. Good. So you have completed that part?
No.
Completed and then she will be.
These winds blow over the warm oceans, gather moisture, and bring widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. The atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. The hills are therefore cooler during summers.
Underline that word. Hills are cooler. Can I say colder or cooler? Which is right? Sure.
Yes.
Shall we apply the same formula in Kashmir?
No.
Why not?
Because
it's the
altitude is very high
and the pressure
They are colder. Simply colder.
Why?
The pressure and wind system of any area depends on the latitude and altitude of the place.
Underline that word. It is latitude and altitude of a given place. What's your name? You read.
Western disturbances. The western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomena of the winter months brought in by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean region. They usually influence the weather of the north and northwestern regions of India. Tropical cyclones occur during this monsoon as well as
Underline that word tropical cyclones. Why it is the word tropical? Because it originates in the Tropic of Cancer. Okay.
Another part of the easterly flow. These disturbances affect the coastal regions of the country. Have you read or heard about the disasters caused by them in Odisha and Andhra Pradesh coast? Distance from the sea.
This we will read after the break. Okay. You meet me?
Me?
It all depends on your behavior.
Sir, sorry, sir.
I don't call your parents. I said it all depends on your behavior.
पार्टी में सर कहाँ जाना है?
मैं नहीं कर रहा, मुझे छोड़ के